Hello, this is Sivak Trivedi. I am showing this report of our assignment 2 of ITECH 7409 software testing, and it is a report on online backstage management system. These are the table of contents of our report: introduction, system overview, test approach, test plan, test case, Gantt chart, budget chart, comparison and contrast of the IEE 829 2008 standard with the ISO IEC IEE 2919119 2013, conclusion and appendix. Introduction: it is system software testing is an approach followed by professional software testers as well as stakeholders who does not have much knowledge about software. So this is basically the overview of our system and test approach. And for this software, we have used black box software testing method. In black box testing, we do not have to know about internal working structure about the software. And these are the test plans of our system. Functional requirements to be tested: import from guidebook, register competitor, configurable screen, security, and move competitor between sections. These are things that are needs to be tested, and these are the non-functional requirements that are to be tested: website theme, easy to use, languages, network. And testing tools are the environment: functions, operating system, processor, language, application server, web server, and database. Traceability metrics. These are the traceability metrics that are to be followed while preparing the report. And these are the test cases that are to be tested. Register with valid user credentials. This is the test case description. With this, we can, if all these steps are valid, then the registration is complete, and the status is passed. And the expected result will be according to the requirement. And this is test case 2. If we miss anything, like here, in case of instead of name we didn't write anything, that's why the result was please enter your name, because the test case it didn't have any name, and the status of this test case is fail. So these are the things what we needed to do in the test case documentation. And this is the Gantt chart of our report, and where we have made time. It's like a timeline of how many days it took for the task to be done, and these are the tasks, and this is the start and end date, and this is the duration to be made, and durations to complete the task for each individual. And budget chart: this budget chart is made after all work were done, and this budget we had allocated $57,000, so we estimated 20,000 for the test manager salary and 30,000 for test engineers. So this is the total budget. And this is the total budget here in this side, there is uh, and there is the expenses on testing and spending. Test manager, and there is 20,000 for test manager, and actual budget is also 20,000. And the main thing for the report was to compare and contrast the two standards: IEEE 829 2008 and ISO IEC IEEE 29119 2013. These were two standards. The one at the beginning is the older one, and the one at the right side is the new one. And this standard, and the 829 2008 specifies the different kinds of forms to be filled in order to progress for the further stage of the software development. This standard follows the internationally accepted format for the software testing that can be used by any organization for any form of the testing. And the standard was the 89 2008 was the part of the ISED Foundation and Practitioner Certificate in Software Testing training syllabus promoted by this British Computer Society. And ISO IEC provides the different parts of the testing phase to be carried out by the testers and helps them in the software development life cycle. And similarly, these were the conclusions that we dragged from our assignment. In conclusion, we can say that this assignment was very helpful for our skill development because it helped us to implement our theoretical knowledge into practical knowledge. And by completing this assignment, we again know on how to work in a team and how to develop, how to do the development report, and how can we use testing tools as well as project management tools. This assignment is a group assignment, so we have used Trello for our project management and divided the work between us. And Trello is a simple website where we can work on a project together without any conflicts. And also we use TestTrail as a um, as a software for the documentation of the test cases. And these are the screenshots of Trello. This is the overview or the dashboard of the Trello, and this is also the one of the themes of the Trello where we can make our project look better. And this is the another screenshots that is from test case test trail, where we documented our test cases in order to make the documentation better. Thank you.